Hello, welcome back to another episode of Makeup for Beginners. In today's episode, I'm going to be showing you how to remove eye makeup and face makeup as well. So this is my makeup for today. I've had this on all day, and as you can see, it has rubbed off a little bit on my chin. But other than that, looks good. So I have two ways that you can remove makeup. I use my tried and true trusty makeup remover wipes from Neutrogena. I've been using these for like a decade. These are my favorite. I love them. I always go back to these. They're just my tried and true. Next is the Neutrogena Marcel cleansing water. Now you can use any cleansing water you like. There's tons on the market, like tons. There's so many, and you can use it with like a little face halo. So I'm going to do one side with makeup wipes, the other side with Marcel cleansing water. Alright, so let's do the side with the makeup wipe, which, oh my god, I can't rave about these enough. They are so good. I mean, look at all that. It's coming right off. I absolutely love these makeup wipes. I do. I mean, look, comes right off. I love it. Oh, and now for eyes, what I do is I place the wipe on my eyes, and I just gently wipe, very gently wipe, because the skin around your eye is very delicate, so you want to be very gentle. So I just very gently wipe. And if I still have a little bit of mascara on my lashes, I go over it very gently. And that is how I remove my face makeup with a makeup wipe. See? Next is the Marcel cleansing water. This is, oh, I love cleansing water. They're really good, especially for waterproof makeup. So what I like to do is, you can use these just on their own, just a bit of water on their own. No? Does the job. Or if you want, you can put a little bit of cleansing water, just a little bit, on, and then go over in circular motions very gently down the neck. And yeah, it just removes all the makeup. Now, if you don't have one of these like face halo little towels, you can use cotton rounds. You just do the same thing. You put a little bit on and then gently wipe. Very gently. Same with the eyes. I like to hold for a little bit and very, very gently wipe away the eye makeup. Now you want to be very gentle. As I said before, the skin around the eyes is very delicate. So you want to be very careful not to pull too hard or get product in your eyes, because that's not fun either. That's pretty good. All right. Make sure you get around the nose. And for extra good measure, I do like to take a clean makeup wipe, and I like to go over my face just to make sure I haven't missed any spots, because we've all done it. We've all, you know, missed some spots. See? Yep. So it's just always good to go over your face with a clean makeup wipe, or the back of the face, back of the round towelette, the face halo. This is just from Nude by Nature, but just, yeah, their version of it. And you use the back and go over your face like that, like so. So you can make sure you get all the product off. Now, there are a lot of different kinds of makeup wipes out there. There's some for like sensitive skin and stuff like that, but like I said, there's tons of brands out there. Just always have a look and see what works for you. Just try out a whole bunch of them, see what works for you, and what works for you, it's what you stick to. It's what I do. See, look at all that. Yuck. Now my face is all clean and ready to be cleansed. Oh my god, I'm so excited. I love cleansing my face at the end of the day, getting it all clean. So that's it. That is how I remove my eye makeup and my face makeup using makeup removing wipes and Marcel cleansing water. You don't have to use these particular brands. You can use any brand you like. Like I said, there are tons on the market right now. There's so many. You can use whatever you like. You can use Neutrogena, you can use Simple, whatever floats your boat. Anyway, I'm gonna go. I love you all so much. Hope this was really helpful, and I'll see you on the next one. I love you all. Have a good evening.